Reason number 4 for not using Google rankings as your primary key success factor is penalties. Because typically when you focus so much on rankings, you're asking either the company that you're working with or your internal employees who are doing SEO for you, you're asking them to secure rankings for a given term or terms. And they have to take whatever actions possible to secure those rankings because that's how you're evaluating their performance. As a result, they'll take risks that they otherwise wouldn't take to get you those rankings. But of course, Google has more PhDs than NASA and understands that you're taking these risks. In many cases, these risks in the future will expose you to penalties and may indeed result in you being penalized or your site being penalized and disappearing completely from the search results. That's another reason, reason number 4, why we shouldn't use rankings as our primary key success factor.